hindi lang sa laot ang pambubuli ng China. Ang isang jet fighter ng Beijing nang haharas din. Ang detalye sa agenda report ni Francis Folbe.
Isa si US Ambassador Mary Kay Carlson sa mga unang kumondena sa dangerous maneuver ng Chinese Coast Guard sa may Baho Masinloc nitong Lunes na nagresulta sa pagbangga sa kanila ring PLA Navy ship. Sa social media post sa Meta at X, kinilala rin niya ang PCG sa kanilang professionalism at pag-alok ng tulong sa mga tripulante ng nagsalpukang Chinese vessels. Nitong Miyerkules, namataang dumaraan sa may Scarborough Shoal ang dalawang US warship, ang USS Higgins at USS Cincinnati.
In this case specifically, our Navy will fly, sail, and operate anywhere that international law allows. And to be able to demonstrate free passage is really critical, not just for the United States and for the Philippines, but this waterway in the West Philippine Sea and the South China Sea. Freedom of navigation is essential for the trillions of dollars worth of commerce that passes through these waters. It's not only about the Coast Guard or the Navy or the military or security or defense, it's about commerce, it's about livelihoods.
Sa parehong araw, nagsagawa na naman ng dangerous maneuver ang China. Kung sa karagatan nitong Lunes, kahapon sa himpapawid naman. Ayon kay Coast Guard spokesperson for the West Philippine Sea, Jay Tariela, nagpapatrolya ang eroplano ng PCG sa may Baho de Masinloc, kung saan nakita nila mula sa ere ang 4 na barko ng China malapit sa lugar. Bigla na lang daw itong nilapitan ng isang Chinese fighter jet.
It came close as near as 500 feet, and for 20 minutes it conducted dangerous maneuver with such distance and even above the aircraft of the Coast Guard aircraft at an approximate height of 200 feet above the Coast Guard aircraft.
Hinahanda na ng DFA ang panibagong diplomatic protest kaugnay sa latest Chinese bullying.
This is a situation whereby we have to be more careful that we still go back to the process of whereby diplomatic dialogue and discussions will be best for the situation.
Pagod na rin daw si Defense Secretary Gibo Chodoro sa naratibo ng China at sakaling may casualty man sa nangyari,
kung meron man tinamaan, kasalanan nila yun.
Para sa agenda, Francis Polbe, Bellionario News Channel.